Oh, I got this thing here to do too. All right, let's keep going here then. This is the latch. It broke off. Careless operation. Opened up the side panel, left that flipped open, walked by, freaking busted her right off. So I think I'm going to take the clutch cover off. And then, yeah, drill that out, pop rivet a new one in. I got to pop rivet the freaking Snowflap anyway, but we can drill that out right now. There you go. You want to keep this debris, pick it up, because you don't want that thing flying around hitting the clutch. There's a washer on the back, and you'll have the little nib that we just drilled out there.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Did it go? That there would make a mess in a hurry, I bet. I'm just going to put this loose, and then when we do the Snowflap tomorrow, we'll get that. All right, Snowflap removal. I actually have black ones from the BRP dealer now. So that'll lift up, and then you can, or if they fell off, but this seems to be really, look at that. Drew's pretty hard on this thing, man. He's been riding it, and it's as per manufacturer's recommendations, I guess. So it is held in with the Torx that's holding the bumper on. There you go. See those two things, but that thing's busted right out. So I have been sitting on this Snowflap all summer. There's a piece for the latch. But yeah, I bought this thing in, geez, I bet it was April. After all the snow had melted anyway. The guy had it posted for sale in New Hamburg, so I went and grabbed her. Thought, good summer project. Here I am, January 2nd. Oh. A lot has happened since then. A lot has happened, and a lot more is happening. Oh my God! Fast track studs still look good. Like new. I'm not going to tighten these up until I rivet it. Just get them started and get them loose so they're lined up. Good. Let's get my air compressor fired up and the rivet gun. So all these rivets are the same size they gave me. So I think she thought the one in the side panel latch was longer. So I ordered the washers from them too. What the heck? We'll just put this up like that. Fish it through. Make sure it looks like it's in the right spot. I'm just going to kind of hold it. And then get in there. Please get in there. So I got 6. 4 for the Snowflap, 2 for the tail light. And then there's 1 I ordered for that latch. So I'm going to go over here and do this side now. Just a little rivet shroud stuck in there. Shrapnel. There we go. Position that in place. See, I wasn't sure if these two here are supposed to be longer. I thought they were. Yeah, there's hardly any bite in there. See if she's got enough length to hold that after a while. Best tool ever. It's Princess Auto piece of crap rivet gun. It is so handy. It saves so much time and pain on squeezing a traditional rivet gun. Let's see how that works. Might as well put the side latch on now. Let's take this off again. Let's find a little washer for this rivet. Bound to have one somewhere. Got one. That was the sound of me digging through my parts drawer. Okay. Perfect. Put the screw back. Oh, I was going to get some S1 and clean my clutches up too. That's a tomorrow job. I think I'm done tonight. Nice. Just clean up my tools and go to bed.